Now that our server is updated, let's explore some of the file and directory commands. First is the pwd command. This command gives our present working directory. Type pwd and press enter. As you can see, we're presently in the root directory. The reason we're in this directory is because we're logged in as the root user. By default, we're placed into the directory corresponding to our username. Later, we'll create and log in as another user. You'll notice our default present working directory will be different when we log in as the new user. The next directory command is the ls command. This command gives us a list of all the files in our current directory. Type in ls and press enter. You'll notice that nothing was outputted. This is because the root folder is empty. Let's navigate up one directory. To do that, type in cd space ... Now type the ls command again and see the output. We can now see several folders, including our root folder. We're currently in the home directory. We cannot go up past this directory. To navigate to a specific directory, type cd and then the name of the directory you want to navigate to. Let's go to the var directory. So I'll type cd space var and press enter. As you can see by the extension, we're in the var folder. A quick way to get back to the home directory from any folder is cd space / and press enter. We're now back in the home directory, and to confirm this, we can use the ls command again. You'll notice that our command console is filling up with command lines. To clear the console window, type reset and press enter. This clears the console, but it doesn't delete your previous commands. If you scroll up, you'll see that all your previous commands are still there. Those are the main commands we need to know for now. We'll explore others as we progress through these lessons.